Sorry, Parrot. You are never supportive of me. I don't want to be your friend anymore. I never want to see you again.
Patchy, no!
Give me that.
That's the mariachi band button.
I hate technology! Rewind, darn you.
Failure ahoy!
No! Stop! Stop! Sorry, Potty. Just some landlubber. Potty. Hello? 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 Dropped again. Curse this traffic! Ooh. No! Potty, you know I don't like mayo! Here, you want some? Go on. Take it. I don't like the mayonnaise, you know. Once it gets up above 130, 135, the mayonnaise gets kind of grody, you know.
Who else is going to be performing?
Well, SpongeBob, for one, will be on the show.
Oh, Tom Kenny, the voice of SpongeBob?
Who?
Well, you said SpongeBob is going to be on the show.
That's right. The little sponge is the guest of honor.
But he's a cartoon, so you mean the guy who does the voice, right?
Listen, Miss Turner, you let me handle the guests. You stick to your singing and dancing.
Mrs. Turner? Oh, no, this isn't Tina Turner. This is Tina Fey.
Hey, who?